Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Let me show you what happened before I started cleaning the inside. Do you remember this little gap from my 3-month update? We took it in to get a water test under warranty. Turns out it was cosmetic, but they did confirm a leak in that window. And through the water test of the rest of the windows, they discovered another leak. This one in the front bedroom on the passenger side. Apparently there could have been more caulking. I'm so glad that we're dealing with this before we hit the road. It has been unusually rainy this year, and I think that's worked in our favor as far as discovering leaks right from the get-go. Can you imagine if this had happened in an RV made of wood? I imagine it would probably be a pretty moldy situation, and I don't think I would be very excited about our plans to hit the road full time. One thing I've learned from watching endless videos from others with RVs, checking your seals should be part of regular maintenance, especially on the roof. So we'll be sure to pack extra caulking with us. That way we can reseal as needed if we're in the middle of nowhere. We do plan to make an official checklist at some point so we don't forget anything. And we're also going to add check screws to that list because we've been told that every trip is like an earthquake for an RV. So things can come loose. In fact, when I was wiping down some of the cabinets, we noticed that some of the hinges needed to be retightened. Another good thing about this back and forth to the dealer for maintenance, David is getting some really good practice backing into tight spaces. During this last trip to the storage facility, he nailed it on the first try, backing in with basically no guidance from me. Now that we've had 2 rounds of warranty work done, which includes 3 window leaks being fixed, I'm feeling so ready to move forward. That's why I finally started cleaning. I didn't want to clean until I knew the maintenance work was done. I also started moving some supplies into those cleaned areas, so it's starting to feel real.
Anywhere